Many beginners feel overwhelmed when they first encounter SQL joins. They see database tables as isolated islands of information and struggle to understand how to link them together to answer complex business questions. In practice, data is routinely split across multiple tables to prevent redundancy and maintain organization. If you want to analyze sales performance, customer behavior, or inventory levels, you must master the art of joining tables. This video provides a clear, practical guide to SQL joins. We will break down the conceptual mental models behind inner joins, left joins, and outer joins, and show you exactly how they behave when matching records. You will learn how to choose the right join for your specific reporting needs without relying on confusing diagrams. By the end of this lesson, you will feel confident combining tables and extracting meaningful insights from relational databases to drive business decisions. First, let us explore the foundational concept of a join and why relational databases structure data this way. In a typical business database, information is separated into distinct tables. For instance, you might have a customers table containing customer details and an orders table containing sales records. This separation is called normalization, and it is done to keep data clean, reduce redundancy, and maintain database integrity. Instead of writing a customer's name, email, and billing address on every single order row, we assign each customer a unique identification number, known as a primary key. In the orders table, we reference this identification number in a column called a foreign key. To analyze which customers bought which products, we need to combine these tables based on their matching key columns. An inner join is the most common type of join. It returns only the rows where there is a matching value in both tables. If a customer has made no purchases, their details will not appear in the joined query results. Conversely, if an order lacks a valid customer identifier, it is excluded. This behavior makes inner joins ideal for answering specific questions where matching records must exist on both sides, such as generating a list of active buyers and their transaction details. Conceptually, you can think of an inner join as an intersection. It filters out any unmatched data, leaving you with a clean, overlapping subset of records. When writing an inner join, you specify the two tables and the key columns that link them using the ON clause in your query. It is critical to select the correct matching fields, as matching mismatched columns can produce empty results or incorrect data associations that lead to bad business conclusions. Understanding this fundamental relationship helps you construct queries that reflect the true state of your business operations. Consistently verify your database schema diagram before writing your ON clause. This simple check ensures that your queries run efficiently and return the exact metrics your business requires for planning. Second, we must examine left joins, which are crucial when you want to preserve all records from one table regardless of whether they have matches in the other. A left join, or left outer join, retrieves every single row from the left table, the table listed first in your SQL statement, along with the matching rows from the right table. If there is no matching record in the right table, SQL populates the columns from the right table with null values. This capability is extremely useful for finding gaps in your data or auditing business performance. For example, if you want to identify customers who have not placed any orders, you can run a left join from the customers table to the orders table. The query will return every customer. For those who have made purchases, you will see their order details. For those who have not, the order columns will be blank. By adding a simple filter to look for rows where the order ID is null, you instantly generate a targeted list of inactive accounts. This logic also applies to inventory analysis, where you might want to list all products in your catalog alongside their recent sales. A left join ensures that even slow-moving items with zero sales remain visible in your report, preventing you from overlooking stock issues. Choosing between an inner join and a left join depends entirely on your analysis goal. If you need a complete view of a primary entity while optionally showing related data, a left join is the standard choice. It gives you the full picture without hiding unmatched entities. To implement this, you simply write left join instead of join in your SQL statement. It is a powerful tool for customer relationship management, as it lets you see which registered users have not engaged with your product. You can then target these users with re-engagement campaigns. Additionally, left joins help you maintain accurate financial reporting by highlighting transactions that lack associated customer profiles, which is a common data entry error in legacy systems. Finally, we must address outer joins and how to handle multiple joins in a single query. A full outer join returns all records when there is a match in either the left or the right table. If there is no match, the missing side contains nulls. This join is less common but highly valuable when reconciling two datasets, such as comparing billing logs against shipping records to find discrepancies. When working with joins, you should follow a structured checklist to avoid common query mistakes. First, verify the relationship between your tables. Is it one-to-one, one-to-many, or many-to-many? Mismatched relationships can lead to duplicated rows, causing your query to inflate sales figures or count metrics incorrectly. Second, verify that you are joining on columns with matching data types. Trying to join a text column with an integer column can cause errors or slow down database performance. Third, keep your query organized by using clear table aliases. Assigning short labels to your tables makes your code much easier to read and maintain, especially as you add more joins. By practicing these joins on sample tables, you will build a strong mental model of how data flows through relational systems. Joining tables is not about memorizing complex syntax, it is about understanding how data entities connect in the real world. Mastering these joins allows you to build complex reports, support business decisions, and navigate any relational database with confidence. Furthermore, as you gain experience, you will learn to string multiple joins together in a single query. You might join a customer's table to an orders table, and then join that orders table to a products table. This allows you to trace a customer all the way to the specific items they bought. When building these multi-table queries, start with your primary table and add joins one at a time, testing the row count at each step. This incremental approach prevents logic errors and helps you identify exactly where duplicate records might be introduced. With these practices, joins will become a routine part of your analytical toolkit. Data Skills Sprint teaches practical data skills for beginners and busy professionals. We break down spreadsheets, SQL, dashboards, automation, and analyst workflows into short, clear lessons. Every video is designed to help you learn one useful skill and apply it immediately at work. This video is general data education, not a guarantee of career placement, salary increase, or software certification. Code syntax and software UI change over time.